The Supreme Court rejects appeal by Christian charity sued by a gay lawyer. The Supreme Court has rejected an appeal for review in the long-running legal battle between Seattle's Union Gospel Mission and Matthew S. Woods. Woods was denied a position as the ministry's lawyer in 2016 because he was in a same-sex relationship. Joined by Justice Clarence Thomas and Justice Samuel Alito, they argued that the Supreme Court has, quote, yet to confront whether freedom for religious employers to hire their co-religionists is constitutionally required, end quote. Lower courts ruled that because Woods was applying for a legal position and not a ministerial position, the church had no right to deny him employment.
Agreed.
So what's interesting here, though, is that the judges left open the possibility that they could hear something like this in the future. And Alito even said, we're going to have to weigh in on this eventually, but it doesn't quite make the threshold yet.
Mm-hmm. Definitely coming.
Yeah.
There are cases on the docket to consider religious freedom versus civil rights in LGBT.
I wonder if they would have turned their head if he wasn't in a committed relationship, because he made a point of saying that he's in a committed relationship, which is why they didn't allow him. So if he just kept it to himself, would it have been okay?
Well, then how does it come up? Did they investigate and find out, or did he bring it up himself? Or
Do not know, wasn't there.
I think we need to get religion out of employment and out of our government. That's what our country was founded for, religious freedom, but also not to discriminate against people. So I do think this is, it keeps coming up, and hopefully we'll get a Supreme Court someday that will see that that's something we need to separate.
And we have a remedy, and the remedy is called the Equality Act. That would solve this issue completely.
Thank you.
We can't find equality because we don't have enough voice to support the Equality Act, and that's where we're at. LGBTQ plus news is vital for our community and for the broader world as a whole. We have enough enemies at Fox News. Tucker, Sean, and Laura are loud. We need passionate allies. Happening Out Television Network, Queer News Tonight, and It's Happening Out are literally out of the closet and into the headlines. Our community needs your support. Like this broadcast and subscribe now to ensure the growth of the entire LGBT